Welcome to Carter's Eek. See how I'm peeling these shrimp? Open from the back, pull off the top, and pull the tail. This video is in collaboration with Vicki's World and M.RTV Asian garlic shrimp noodles. You guys get into it. This is for Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month, you guys. Here's the magic. Here's the magic. The magic is in the oyster sauce right here. Oyster sauce. I'm using some stir fry and the oyster sauce, you guys. This is going to be so amazing. Again, this is for Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. If I can just get this out, shake, 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 shake. My God, it was impossible to get out. And stir, and stir, and stir. Push and crush that garlic. Again, if you get a chance, make sure you get by Vicki's World and M.RTV. I hate this piece right here on the end. Right here. This piece right here. I hate it. Cut it off of your garlic. Make sure you get by M.RTV and Vicki's World and check out their Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month tribute with their Asian garlic noodles. Okay, you guys? Look at the size of these shrimp. Amazing. I'm just going to slide this over, and now we're going to bring out the wok. The magic's in the wok. here it is. Oh my goodness. Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. It looks amazing. Quite proud of myself. Let's see how it tastes. This is all I can say. This is all I can say. Ooh, yes. To my girls, Vicky's World and M.RTV, y'all get by their channel and check them out and see their Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month garlic noodles, you guys. Yes. Yes.
Yum!
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne.